Okay, so we're going to be finding minors. Um, let's see here. Please remember that this 12 right here means that we are actually, this is what we are actually going to eliminate, the row and the column that we're going to eliminate when we find our minors. So in other words, we're not talking about the number 12 here. We're actually talking about eliminating row 1 and eliminating column 2 when we find our minor. So if we go over here to this, matrix right here, I'm going to eliminate this row and I'm going to eliminate this column. And as you can see, we're going to be left with negative 3, 3, 2, and 0. So what we're going to be doing essentially by finding the minor is we're going to be finding the determinant of the numbers that are left of the 2 by 2 matrix when I eliminate this row and this column. Those numbers are negative 3, 3, 2, and 0. Negative 3, 3, 2, and 0. And so the minor, when we eliminate row 1 and column 2, is the determinant right here. And remember, you multiply your diagonals. So negative 3 times 0 is going to be 0. And then multiply this diagonal. 2 times 3 is going to be 6. And so 0 minus 6 is negative 6. So that's the minor for when we eliminate row 1 and column 2. Now, what if we wanted to do the minor of row 2 and column 3? So that is going to equal, well, if I eliminate row 2 and column 3, I have 3, 4, 2, and 5. So let's see here. The minor, I'm sorry, I lost my track here. Eliminate that one and that one. 3, 4, 2, and 5. 3, 4, 2, and 5. And now we're going to find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. So 3 times 5 is going to be 15. That's this diagonal right here. And then 2 times 4 is 8. So the minor, when we eliminate row 2 and column 3, is going to be 15 minus 8, which is 7. So I'm going to put one up on the board here. You try it, or you hit pause after I've got it up on the board, and then hit play to see if you got the same answer I got. Let's eliminate row 3 and column 2. So find the minor of row 3, column 2. Hit pause. Okay. So if I find the minor of row 3, column 2, I'm going to eliminate row 3. I'm going to eliminate column 2. And as you can see, we will be left with the matrix 3, 4, negative 3, negative 4. So 3, 4, negative 3, and negative 4. And so we do 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12. And then negative 3 times 4, which is also negative 12. So if we do negative 12 minus negative 12, that is going to equal 0. So there you go. That's hopefully a little refresher if you're struggling with minors up to this point.